Discover the manufacturing process of high-quality copper-stranded wire. Welcome to our factory. Here we proudly display the manufacturing process of high-quality, premium copper-stranded wire. Our videos will give you an insight into our state-of-the-art equipment and processes, revealing the story behind each strand. In our factory, the production of stranded copper wire is not just a job, it's an art. Our craftsmen put countless hours of effort and skill into ensuring that every inch of copper wire meets the highest quality standards. From the selection of raw materials to the operation of the production line, we control every step of the process to ensure the perfection of the final product. In this video, you'll see for yourself how our craftsmen transform ordinary copper into delicate, strong copper-stranded wire. Our state-of-the-art equipment and rigorous quality control ensure that every copper wire has superior conductivity and durability, providing reliable support for a variety of applications. Whether you're interested in the copper strand manufacturing process or want to learn how to select the right high-quality copper wire for your project, this video will provide you with a comprehensive perspective and insight. Come on down to our facility and discover the finer points of copper-stranded wire manufacturing. Ready to learn more? Watch our video today and get a taste of what copper-stranded wire is all about.